Now, the Cuban question, on the other hand, has been on the table for a long time. Since the 1959 revolution that brought Fidel Castro to power, the United States has maintained and progressively tightened sanctions against Cuba. The objective has always been and remains consistent: force political change in Havana. Now, 6 decades later, almost 7 decades later, the regime remains. What has changed, however, is the suffering of ordinary Cubans. Fuel shortages have intensified blackouts, food scarcity has worsened, migration has surged, and the humanitarian strain is visible across the Caribbean basin. CARICOM states have traditionally taken a unified position that, one, the embargo should be lifted; two, that engagement is preferable to isolation; and three, that the Cuban people should not bear the weight of geopolitical strategy.